All right, boss up, boss up, boss up, man. I'm back. Got my van back from another rental, ready to hit the road. But before I do that, I got to bring y'all a brand new service, a business, a way you can start your own company, start your own moving company, make this money. Yes, sir. This the Be On Boss channel, man. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, because I'm here daily. Yes, every single day with this content to help you get paid and out the 9-to-5 rat race. So what am I talking about? How can you get paid? How can you make thousands of dollars a week just by starting your moving company? Nothing more than U-Haul and their partner company, movinghelper.com, is a game changer. Shout out to Mark to Mentor. I found this on his channel. I want to bring it to you guys, but hop on over his channel, hit subscribe. Mark the Mentor, I'm going to have a link down in the description, man. He's bringing gems. He really focuses on box trucks more, but he has plenty of information as far as transportation and everything. So give him a good look on this journey to entrepreneurship. All right, so let's talk about Moving Helper and U-Haul. So basically what they do is allow you to either schedule, it has to be people who need to move, they schedule you. So once you sign up in the system, they can find the person that's close to them with the best rating, and then they, select you, give you a call, say, hey, I need some stuff moved. You bring your van, truck, box truck, whatever you got, and help them move. Or if they rented a U-Haul and they need an extra set of hands to move stuff, you can do that. Or the game changer is, you know how U-Haul have those little pods or those little small boxes that they stuff stuff in and they hitch it to the back of the trailer to move stuff as well? Well, you can move those boxes anywhere in the country. Yes, partner with U-Haul and Moving Helper. As long as you got a truck or a van that has the hitch on it that you can, strap the box, the container on it. You can tow it away, tow it anywhere in the country, and start making you some money that way. All right. Or you can rent a van from a truck from U-Haul and then move it that way. But we all know how expensive renting from U-Haul is. You got the $20, $30 a day on top of the mileage. So probably won't work out. But this is perfect for people who have their own equipment, have their own vehicles. And if you don't have your own vehicle, holla at me. I got videos on this channel on how to purchase a van or truck in your business name. No personal credit needed, no down payment. If that's not good enough, then you can book a consultation with me. It's only $50. Come holla at me, all right? So, of course, like always, we're going to hop into the laptop, show you exactly how you can get paid partnering with U-Haul and Moving Helper and starting your own moving business. We are inside the website Moving Helper. So this is the main website. Start your own business. Be on boss. This is what we're about on this channel. So what is Moving Helper? It's a service provider. Independent labor providers who have advertised safe, convenient, reliable moving services on both Moving Help and U-Haul. So you have two websites to promote yourself. The movers found on our site offer services such as packing, loading, cleaning. Start your own moving company today, or moving business today. So you do packing, loading, and cleaning. All these things can be done with your business. Pack for the customers, heavy items, loading, packaging, unboxing, loading, everything that they possibly need. You will, get the word out about that and get hired. Now, like I was saying earlier, ways you can expand your business on top of doing all these things, moving, packing, loading, all that stuff. You can, if you have a, tow hitch on there, you can move these boxes here all around the country. U-Box delivery, so you can bring the box to the person, or you can wait till they load it up and take it to their next destination. You can use your personal vehicle to deliver. Now, of course, when I say personal vehicle, definitely has to be a vehicle strong enough to tow these boxes. They're not extremely heavy, but can't do this in a Honda Civic. Make money, become a moving help service provider today. Want a job where you can set your own schedule and make as much money as you want. Create your own schedule. We bring the customers to you. Get started at no cost. You will never be charged a sign-up cost or a monthly fee as a moving helper. Our movers set their own rates. So don't ask me how much you get paid. You set your own rate. Now, you want to be competitive on the market. So what you'll do is go in on the other side where you actually book somebody, and then you can kind of see, what people's rate in your area. You can set your rates like that. Now, our movers set their own rates. You will only charge a flat 15% marketplace fee once a transaction has been completed. So just like anything else, they're going to want their money, but you're going to net your fee, mark it up 15% than what you normally do for this site, and then they will take their 15%. It's kind of like eBay, that's on the 9%, so that's kind of high on the commission side, but they're doing everything for you. All you do have to do is just put your name in the hat and, kind of help you get pulled. Ready to be your own boss? These folks always stay in my tagline: boss up, boss up, boss up. Becoming a moving help service provider is perfect for you, part-time or full-time work, friends and family. So you can bring your friends in on the business, family in on the business, or college students. You got a bunch of your buddies home for college. You can sign up, do this for 2 or 3 months, or part-time on the weekend as well, especially in those small college towns when people moving in, moving out during the summertime and fall. Whew, this is the business for you. Why wait? How to get started? All you need to get started is a government issue ID, checking account, and unique company name. Now, it doesn't necessarily say you have to be a LLC or a formal business. Just have a cool business name, and what that would do is help you stand out. And picking, like reliable, fast shipping moving company will help you get picked faster than most others. Here's one, A to Z moving. A to Z is always a good name to put in there because it's the first thing that'll come up in most listings in alphabetical order. I already have a job. Can I do this? And of course you can do that. Stupid question. Do I have to work a minimum amount of hours? That's a good question. Customers to purchase a minimum of 2 hours. So, you don't have to worry about 30-minute moves and waste your time driving all the way for 30 minutes, making a little money. They're going to do a minimum of 2 hours. So you're going to get paid for at least 2 hours. Own my own moving company. Connects labor. Only service provider. We do not allow moving companies to provide their own equipment, rental trucks, trailers, etc., to participate in the labor-only marketplace. So this is something you will not need your vans for. Like I said, you will use U-Hauls, vans, U-Hauls equipment. All you're doing is putting the stuff on there for them, and then, they drive off. Now, that's not to say that, hey, this van is getting full, we might need an extra van. You can use this website to piggyback and get your own business outside this site. So, don't worry if you got your own equipment, you want to use your own equipment, go ahead, get into the system. And then when these people contact you, you can kind of add some additional services outside of what they're providing. Do you need to be insured? Absolutely. Movinghelp.com is a labor-only marketplace. Providers not bonded and insured, all that good stuff. Are you moving help service providers safe? Yes. They're safe. How do I get paid? Direct deposit, ACH, or if you're in Canada, you can get paid direct deposit or PayPal. So make sure you got a checking account, not a Cash App account. Make sure you got a real checking account to receive these payments, even though I think Cash App does give you routing numbers and everything. Now, let's see if we can play this video. Coming out right now. I'm not gonna worry about this video, but yeah, you kind of see how it works. People moving into the U-Haul. So you're just the help. You're just, the muscle. You're not actually using your equipment to transport. So if you do not have a van, if you do not have a box truck, this is perfect for you to get started in this business, get started making some money just based off your own muscle and time. All right, so we covered all of that. Here's the contact page. If you want to, just get some general information. Let's see, we got some benefits. You get U-Haul store discounts and hotel discounts by being a moving helper service provider. That's pretty cool. And then here's some more additional information that's not really pertinent to what we're looking for. So, like I said, you set your own rates, you set your own rules. Now, with the moving helper, you don't need your own vehicle, but with the other one where you deliver, you will need your own equipment for this. All right. So there's two different things. I hope I didn't confuse you guys. Like I said, if you're just going to be the helper, packing, boxing, moving, unloading, you're not going to be using your van, your truck. You're just going to pull up to the site, either, Uber there, use your car to get there, meet them at the loading site or meet them at the drop-off site and unload and unpack and everything. Or if you're actually going to move these containers, then you're going to use your vehicle for towing, okay? Use your vehicle for towing if you are moving these boxes. All right. Boss up, boss up, boss up. I gave you a way to start your own moving company today. So I don't want anybody to be without. Get to it. Start it up. I want to invite you guys out to my Facebook group where I talk about getting business credit and grants to kind of get you guys some funding to help start these businesses. As well as I'm thinking about, starting a group just for gig workers and entrepreneurs who just want to bounce ideas off each other, who want to know, in different markets what's working or who's hiring. So leave a comment below if you think that's a good idea. If you want, a community on Facebook or Discord where people can, communicate and talk to each other about these apps, this transportation, this moving business, this courier business, everything in between. All right. Boss up, boss up, boss up. Later.